everyone, Lisa Kerr here with Lighthouse for Life, celebrating the completion of yet another amazing year of ministry. And you know, over the past 2 years, we have really focused on our survivor support program. And that could be from opening the drop-in center, taking a building that was neglected, abandoned, and just really desolate, and turning it into a beautiful property that has become really a safe haven for so many individuals. They have come to get naps, to get showers, to get meals, to connect with law enforcement, to find community over cooking classes, just so many different testimonies and stories now that we have this property, as well as wanting to really strengthen the relationships that we have with these women so that they're not a number, they're a person that is seen and valued and known, and that they know they're not alone. And now it's been really neat to get the text messages, the phone calls, the conversations of just immense gratitude as they have found a different trajectory in their path, one of hope and healing and light. So thank you for your support with that. In fact, yesterday morning, our staff described the harbor property as a revolving door of just individual after individual coming to that location to pick up a Thanksgiving basket, to get their individual needs met. And one of the ladies said something that really resonated with us. She said, "I wish that all of those who contribute to Lighthouse for Life would know and understand the depth of the impact that they are having on us survivors' lives." That's you. That's her message and her desire for you, and it would be ours as well. More than just words. I wish that there's a way, and I pray that there's a way that you really understand the difference that you're making in individuals' lives. Next year, our plan for the property is to strengthen our ability to connect with individuals that need to know about this property and this program, as well as inviting more community to come alongside with classes and interactions and increasing that relational capacity for our survivors. But you know, we haven't just been focusing on the drop-in center. We also have not forgotten Harris Home, our home for minors to come and find the safety that they need as well in their healing journeys. A couple of weeks ago, Brian, Kylie, and I had the privilege of getting to attend a family court session, because that's going to be a reality for a lot of the individuals that come into that property, into that program at Harris Home. And we want to understand it better. And do you know that the judge took us aside and said, "Please, when is Harris Home going to be open?" And then a little bit later, a member of DSS said, "I have a waiting list. When are you guys going to be open?" And then a member from CASA, several different individuals from several different fields of work, all saying, "We are desperate for this home to be open." Now is the time, guys. We have finally passed all of the inspections and the red tape to get our licensure, and we are beginning to pursue our contract so we can bring in our residents, which means we are ready to start hiring. The only thing lacking is the funding to do so. Last year at year end, you all blew us away by bringing in over $140,000 that really helped us to complete our campaign capital project and get the drop-in center up and running to become the place that it is today for these ladies. This year, will you also dig deep and help us get the funding that we need so that we can bring the answer to all of those in the community that are desperately seeking a location for these young people in our state, these teenage girls? We would love to be able to raise $180,000 at year end, $180,000 in conjunction with the other revenue sources that we have lined up and some reserve funding that we have, should help us to be able to sustain this ministry, the Harris Home program, for 1 year. That allows us to then have a space where we can pursue grants and other ongoing revenue sources. Will you kickstart it for us? Will you help us to spread the word for churches, businesses, individuals, those looking for year-end giving, for tax write-offs? You can give it in honor of somebody. Whatever we can support you to be able to support us so that we can provide this place of safety for these women. I cannot wait to see what we're going to be able to share with you at the end of 2025 as we continue to meet the needs of survivors in our state. So from all of us here at Lighthouse for Life, thank you so very much, and happy Christmas and a happy New Year to each and every one of you.